अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सभी खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ जी CS408 के फाइनल टर्म के MCQs। तो आए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं कि ये क्या कहता है। इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग लेक्चर एंड सडनली यू हियर म्यूजिक और वॉइसेस फ्रॉम द अदर रूम, इट इज़ कॉल्ड। तो इसे क्या कहा जाता है? तो इसे कहा जाता है जी इनवॉलेंटरी अटेंशन। ठीक है जी, आगे की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। Unable to edit PDF document, it is a type of dash constraint। तो ये एक लॉजिकल कंस्ट्रेंट है। आगे की तरफ चलते हैं। Learn only a single mode of operation that is applicable to all objects is a benefit of dash। तो ये है कंसिस्टेंसी की बेनिफिट। आगे चलते हैं। आगे फिर कह रहा है कि एज ए सॉफ्टवेयर डिजाइनर which aspect that gives us hints and tips about using and creating user interface items like dialog boxes and push buttons। तो इसका आंसर है जी टैक्टिकल। आगे है जी हमारे पास क्वेश्चन डैश एस्पेक्ट्स गाइड अस टू थिंक अबाउट यूजर इंटरफेस idioms, in other words the way in which the user and the idiom interact। तो ऑप्शन ए efficient, बी strategic, सी tactical, डी reliable। तो आंसर है जी आपके पास ओनली बी strategic। ठीक है जी, आगे की तरफ चलते हैं। Social science and usability texts are full of methods and techniques for conducting dash research। तो इसका आंसर है क्वालिटेटिव। What do you enjoy most about your job or lifestyle is an example of dash। तो ये आपके पास है जी एग्जाम्पल मोटिवेशन की। ठीक है, आगे हमारे पास यूजर persons that are not primary or secondary are dash persons। तो इसका जो आंसर है जी सप्लीमेंटल persons। Which of the following is least likely to be revealed by a paper prototype। तो इसका आंसर है टूल बार बटन्स आर टू स्मॉल टू प्रेस। आगे हमारे पास अली requires access via a navigational portal relatively frequently that provides clear simple navigational control। which of the following posture is appropriate in this case? Then the answer is transient। Engineering a user interface involves a quantitative engineering style of working in which measurements are used to judge the quality of interface. Hence, dash is appropriate. Then the answer is usability testing. And the next one is dash is like the building name for a website. Answer is site ID. To implement dash in tabs or buttons bars, each button needs to be a separate graphic. And the answer is rollovers. And the next question is dash are a well-established technique for collecting demographic data and users options. Answer is questionnaires. Data collected and analysis often occurs simultaneously in dash, with analysis happening at many different levels throughout the study. Answer is ethnography. Ali wants to develop an application that incorporates print, audio, video, media, and software applications on a single place. Which of the following will help in this regard? World Wide Web, WWW। ठीक है जी। People frequently counter the idea of dash feedback with arguments that users don't like it, and the answer is audible. Dash presents a fascinating lens throughout which we can view the network relationships between systems? Answer is metadata. Dash environments are environment that are user and context aware. Answer is attentive. XYZ Ltd is well reputed software house. They make a significant investment in building Dash that encourages greater customer loyalty. And the answer is brand equity. The question is a team of developer evaluates a website whether user interface elements such as dialog boxes, menus, navigation structure, online help, etc. conform to the principles. Which of the following techniques they will follow? Heuristic answer. And the next one is being a programmer you wrote lot of error messages while coding. Which of the following is not the requirement to write well formed error messages? And the answer is be harsh. Yeah, you may view in Microsoft Word provide printed documentation that is used as a reference tool for perpetual intermediate. It is called online help. The question is when you do search on Google.com or any other search engine, which of the following will help search engine to match user queries with keywords in website? And the answer is thesauri. Question is dash computers are especially useful for applications that require computational support while the user's hands, voice, eyes, or attention are actively engaged with the physical environment. And the answer is wearable. The next question is if someone is doing voice chat with his friend, which physical receptor is involved in this process? Ear. Which of the following senses do not play a significant role in HCI? And the answer is taste and smell. Taste and smell. Next question is dash are perhaps the least documented patterns, but they are non 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 nonetheless in widespread use. Answer is structural. Good example of dash are word processor and spreadsheets. These programs use full screen monopolizing the user's attention for long periods of time. And the answer is sovereign posture. Next question is dash and dash are same things. Exercise and navigation. Early in design, developers want to meet informally to get feedback on idea about the user's need and liking. This evaluation is called quick and dirty. Ali is an HCI specialist. He believes that usability testing works for all products. Variant number should not given on the dash of website since it does not attract users. And the answer is main page. Next question is you are typing an application of sick leave in MS Word. You wrongly type purpose of leave urgent work instead of sick. Whichever the following command will help you to reverse on one or more previous actions. Undo option. When we tell our word processor to print a document, it doesn't tell us when the paper supply is low, or when 40 other documents are queued up before us because software lacks the following characteristics. Considerate software is forthcoming. Next question is Ali is visual interface designer. He organized interface by dash visual cues in individual elements or in the background on which the active elements rest. And the answer is layering. Next question is when you try to log on Yahoo, you wrongly enter password in capital letters, due to which error message arise. Invalid username password. Which of the following error message dialog will appear? Alerts. Next question is problem solving, planning, reasoning, and decision making are all cognitive processes involving dash reflective cognition. Next question is ethnography. Ethnography is a method that comes originally from anthropology and literally means dash writing the culture. Next question is scenario, content, and context are derived from information gathered during the dash phase and analyzed during the dash phase respectively. And the answer is research and modeling. दोस्तों ये वीडियो यहीं पे ख़त्म होती है। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगेगी। मज़ीद इस तरह वीडियो को देखने के लिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें। शुक्रिया, अल्लाह हाफिज़।